Come on, another big bolt.
Oh, not near here. Once the mesonet get hit. Yeah, that mesonet just goes. Yeah.
Yeah, now that I'm filming, there's no big bolts coming down.
Yeah, a little bit further southeast because it's starting to rain. Yeah, it's getting rainy here. Let's go.
Do you want to sample some ale?
No. No, thank you, sir.
Well, it looked good there for a while. Nice beaver tail. Pretty good CGs. Dude, that looks so good. We are standing underneath a gas station overpass, hoping to get some baseballs dropped on us. We will see. Had a nice wall cloud, that took a crap. So now we wait for hail. Ah, the rain is coming in, Mike.
Oh no, the camera's dead.
Oh, why'd you kill it? Very nice and modest.
And we got rotation.
I like some pretty good winds too, apparently. Smile, Kevin! Oh! I saw the flash on your face. I feel like face looked white from the bullet. Oh! That was great. Wind! Sky, get him! You're crazy! Yeah! Hey, Kevin, film me. I'm gonna grab one. Go. Baby.
Dude, look at all. They're perfect.
Hope they get bigger.
Oh,
Come on, go baseball!
No.
Oh,
No.
big one! This is gonna make some great video.
I'll say.
Yeah. Scott with the helmet. Here. Oh, those are
golf balls.
Yeah.
Dude, I know. They're not really that big. Oh, especially that one.